Hello, friends! Today we're bringing you an exciting review of a motorhome that's basically a moving luxury house. This is the Thor Motor Coach Pasadena 38XL Super C. Big, powerful, and filled with comfort and style. Exterior and chassis. Let's start with the exterior. This motorhome is built on the Freightliner S2RV chassis. Under the hood, it has a Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine that produces about 360 horsepower and 800 pound-feet of torque. In simple words, whether you're going uphill or towing heavy loads, this beast can handle it. The length is 39 feet 10 inches, and the height is 13 feet 3 inches. With 3 slide-outs, you can already imagine the huge space waiting inside. And for towing, it can pull up to 15,000 pounds, which means you can even take your car trailer along with you. Interior. Living space. Now let's step inside. The first thing you'll notice is the spacious and tall interior. With a 7-foot ceiling height, you never feel cramped. The living area comes with power reclining theater seats, a dream dinette that converts into a bed, and even a stylish fireplace that makes the atmosphere warm and cozy. You'll also find multiple LED TVs, so entertainment is always on point. Kitchen. For those who love cooking, this kitchen is impressive. You get solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances, a designer backsplash, and a full residential refrigerator. It feels just like home. There's also a convection microwave and an induction cooktop, so you can enjoy 5-star cooking even while on the road. Bedroom and bathrooms. Moving on to the bedroom. Here you'll find a king-size bed with storage underneath, along with a wardrobe and a built-in TV. One of the biggest highlights of the 38XL is its bath-and-a-half layout. That means a full bathroom at the rear and a half. Bath in the center. Super convenient when you're traveling with family or guests.